Welcome to the world of CAD Center training, Solidworks. Our programs on Solidworks start with the introduction to the user interface and progresses to basic drawing with sketch tools, using key features from 𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒆, base to boundary cut, and creating 3D models. The course covers all key features of Solidworks, such as Solidworks Intelligent Feature Technology for modeling, physical dynamics to identify the collision and physicality of the parts, surfacing, magnetic mates for working with large assemblies, e-drawings, and PDM solutions. We offer Solidworks, enroll and learn how to visualize your ideas, create prototypes, simulate, and quickly transform new ideas into great products. Visit
second floor, Sharjah Tower, Ottapalam Road, Cherapalasheri. Phone 790-9160-555, 9745-134852.